Now we will start with our next topic, that is electron mobility. जैसे यहाँ वर्ड कह रहा है इलेक्ट्रॉन मोबिलिटी. व्हाट इज मोबिलिटी? मोबिलिटी इज द फ्रीडम टू मूव, और कितना हद तक वो मूवमेंट दिखा सकता है, वही तो मोबिलिटी है. तो हमें निकालना क्या है, इलेक्ट्रॉन का मोबिलिटी क्या होता है, उसका डेफिनेशन और उसका एक्सप्रेशन क्या होगा इन केस ऑफ यूजिंग ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी इन कंसेप्ट. In order to define mobility of free electrons, so definition says the mobility of free electrons in a conductor is defined as the drift velocity acquired by or acquired per unit strength of electric field applied across the conductor. Or we can mathematically write it as what is mobility? The symbol for mobility is mu. The symbol for mobility is mu, or let us write the definition first in terms of definition. That is, mobility is equal to, what is mobility? We can write mobility is equal to drift velocity divided by electric field. As definition says, drift velocity acquired per unit strength of electric field. That is drift velocity by electric field. Symbolically we can write it mobility mu is equal to drift velocity Vt divided by E. Let this be equation number 1. We all know the relation between drift velocity and electric field. Using that in concept, we can write, since the drift velocity is given by Vd is equal to, we have done this in our previous lecture videos, Vd is equal to E by m into tau. I will provide the link in the description box for this derivation. Vd is equal to E by m into tau. Let this be equation number 2. If I use this equation, or Vd is equal to E m by tau in equation number 1, we will get mu is equal to, the value of Vd is E by m into tau, and we have E at the bottom. Now E and E gets cancelled out, so we are left with mu is equal to E tau by m. So mobility is equal to E tau by m. This is also an expression for mobility of free electrons, that is E tau by m. Okay. We can also express this in terms of current. How? We have derived the expression I is equal to NAE Vd. In the previous lecture videos, I have derived I is equal to NAE Vd. I will provide the link of this derivation in the description box. I is equal to NAE Vd. Since we can write I is equal to NAE Vd, and we know that mu is equal to Vd by E, or we can simply say that Vd is equal to mu E. If I use this Vd in this equation, what will I get is I is equal to NAE, and the value of Vd is mu E. Hence I is equal to NAE mu E, or we can say mu is equal to, the value of mu is I divided by NAE. Hence we can also express mobility in terms of current. Now what is the unit of mobility? The SI unit of mobility is, as you know, mu is equal to Vd by E. The SI unit of Vd is, हमारे Vd का SI unit क्या होता है पास, हमें पता है ना शायद, मीटर पर सेकेंड. The SI unit of Vd is, that is velocity, drift velocity is meter per second. Now in the bottom part we have electric field. We all know electric field is equal to potential by distance. Electric field is given by potential by distance. Hence electric field का SI unit क्या होगा हमारे पास? For potential we have volt, and for length we have meter. Hence we can also write the unit for electric field to be volt per meter. Now what will you receive for SI unit of mobility is, the Vd is meter per second, and for electric field we have volt per meter. Hence we have meter square, or we can say meter into meter, that is meter square divided by second into volt, or we can say the SI unit to be meter square per second per volt. Hence the SI unit of mobility is meter square per second per volt. This is the SI unit for electron mobility. Clear?